in the previous video we discussed about few examples of writing a regular expression for a given problem. So in this video also we are going to see few more examples. So another problem, find a regular expression over the input alphabet A, B over a set of all strings of length odd. Length odd means length 1, length 3, length 5. Okay, so here we can write regular expression like this. So what is this? Length 1 means only A plus B. Then A plus B the whole star means if it becomes 0 means we will get only A or B. So length 1 will take. If it become 1 means this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So length 3 possible. It become 2 means this become 4. Okay, A plus B, again A plus B, A plus B. So 4 times 4 plus 1, 5. This become 3 means 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, so star is 0 means this all become epsilon, nothing will be there. So only A or B. If it become 1 means A or B, A or B, A or B, that is 3, length 3. If it become 2, next to 2 means this is 2 times A plus B, 2 times, that is 4 times A or B, A or B. Then one more A or B, that is 5. So set of all strings of length 5. This become 3 means A plus B 3 times. So A or B, 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 that is 6. Then one more A or B, that is 7. So set of all strings of length 7. So normally we can, this is not a regular expression. For just writing the regular expression, this is a simple thing. You can just write for the odd string A input symbol, that is A or B, whole power 2n plus 1 where n is greater than or equal to 0. If it is even means we can write A plus B whole power 2n. Okay, that is even means 2 multiplied with n, then n become greater than or equal to 0. But don't write this for examination. This is for just thinking about how to write a regular expression. Okay, so A plus B square, then n become, we are taking n as a star here. Okay, so A plus B power 2, n becomes star, again plus 1 means again one more A plus B. Okay, so A plus B whole square means we can write A plus B the whole star, again A plus B. Okay, so don't write this for examination, just for remembering these things I am just explaining this only. Okay, so you need to write this as the regular expression. This is not the regular expression. Then set of all strings divisible by 3. Divisible by 3 means it will accept set of all strings of length 0, then length 3 by 3 is 0, right? Length 6 by 3 is 0, remainder 0. Divisible by 3 means after dividing the length with 3, the remainder will be 0. Okay, so we can write, how to write a regular expression. You don't consider 0 length here. 0 means there will be a clean closure in the regular expression. So length 3 is A or B, A or B, A or B. Then put a whole star. Okay, so star means 0 or more combination. So when the star becomes 0 means we will accept epsilon. It become 1 means 3 A plus B, that is length set of all strings of length 3. Length become 2 means 2 into 3 times A plus B, that is 6. Set of all strings of length 6. It become 3 means 3 into 3 times A or B, that is 9. That is set of all strings of length 9, and so on. Okay. Next problem, set of all strings whose length is congruent to 2 mod 3. 2 mod 3 is length means mod W. Okay, if we are dividing the string length by 3, we will get remainder 2. Okay, 2 mod 3 means we are dividing with 3, we are dividing the string length by 3, we will get the remainder 2. We can write like this also. Mod W, mod 3 equal to 2. We are dividing the string length. Mod W means this representation indicates W is a string and this indicates length of the string. Okay, if we are dividing the length of the string with 3, we will get the remainder as 2. Okay, so if we are taking string length 2, we are dividing with 3, we will get the remainder 2. Okay, so set of all strings of length whose congruent to 2 mod 3. We are dividing with 3, we are dividing the string length with 3, we will get the remainder 2. So we can accept such length strings. So 2 will be accepted. So what is a regular expression for this one? A or B, A or B. Okay, then next, if we are taking 3 divided by 3, remainder will be 0. We should have remainder 2. If we are taking 4 divided by 3, remainder will be 1. But we should have remainder 2. Then next to 5. If we are dividing 5 with 3, we will get the remainder 2. So next is set of all strings of length 5 will be accepted. Set of all strings of length 2 will be accepted. Next set of all strings of length 8. Okay, and so on. So 8 divided by 3, we will get the remainder 2. So we can take the string of length 8. Okay, so we can mathematically we can think like this. If it is congruent to 2 mod 3 means we can write 3n plus 2. Okay, that is a plus b. 3 times you need to write, then whole star, then again write a plus b, a plus b. This how we can write a plus b cube into n, that is 3 into n, 3n. Then x raised to m plus n, mathematically we write x raised to m into x raised to n, right? So a plus b, 3n plus 2, how we can write this thing into a plus b the whole square. Okay, so a plus b, 3 times you need to write a plus b, a plus b, a plus b. Okay, 3 times. N for regular expression we can mention with a star because n value is greater than or equal to 0, 0 or more. So star means 0 or more. Then a plus b 2 times, so we can write a plus b, a plus b. So this is a regular expression for the given problem. And for examination, don't write like this. Just for remembering or for an idea only, I told these things. Okay, so for examination, don't write these things. This is the regular expression. You don't write these steps. This is just for thinking only. Okay, so this is the regular expression for this particular problem. Next problem, set of all strings having exactly 2a. So sigma equal to ab. Okay, so there will be 2a only in every string. Okay, there will be not more than 2a or less than 2a. If we are taking every string, there will be 2a. So it may begin with any number of b's, it in between any number of b's, ending also any number of b's. Okay, we are just saying the restriction about the a only, a symbol only. We are not saying any number of b. So in between a's, 2a, we can write any number of b. So this is the regular expression for this particular problem. Next is at least 2a. At least 2a means minimum 2a. Okay, so it may begin with any number of b, it may begin in between any number of b, then any number of a or b. Minimum 2a, at least 2a, minimum 2a should be there. After that, there may be any number of a. Okay, and there is no restriction on b. In this, exactly 2a. Okay, exactly 2a, in between any number of b possible. But here, at least 2a means minimum 2a. If we are writing b star only, it will be exactly 2a. Okay, so at least 2a means minimum 2a and there may be any number of a's, that is 2 plus. Next is at most 2a. At most 2a means it will accept 0a, 1a, 2a. There is no no restriction in the number of b's. So there will be any number of b's in between or in end or beginning. Then what is a regular expression for set of all strings of exactly 2a? There will be 2a in between any number of b, beginning with any number of b, end with any number of b. But here length 0 should be accepted. Okay, so we are putting along with a, we are putting epsilon also, a plus epsilon or epsilon plus a. There can be an a or no a. That's why we are putting 0a is also accepting. That's why along with a we are putting epsilon. Then number of a's are even. Number of a's are even means it will accept 0a, 2a, 4a and so on. Okay, so what is the regular expression for set of all strings of length 2? We already saw the example, this length 2. Then if we are performing a star, it will accept epsilon. So whole star means it will accept epsilon. If it become 1 means 2a accepting. If it become 2 means 4a accepting. If it become 3 means 3 into 2, 6a accepting. Okay, so this is the regular expression for this particular problem. But the problem is that here the regular expression, but the regular expression not generate b, b, only b's. We are saying the restriction on a only, we are not saying any restrictions on b. Okay, so there will in the language there will be set of all strings of having b only, any number of b's, b, triple b and so on. Okay, so along with this we need to write b star like this, and this is also equal for this one. Okay, this doesn't mean that plus and dot are equal. For this particular problem this is okay. Okay, so this is a regular expression, but if we are taking this regular expression and if we are considering this thing, we are taking the restriction on a only, we are not taking the restriction on b. Okay, so in this language these type of strings also possible, and it will not generate by using this particular regular expression. Okay, so we are adding a b star also along with this regular expression.